The New York teen, whose story of stock market success swept across the globe, has admitted he made it all up. New York Magazine on Sunday featured a story about 17-year-old Mohammed Islam, who claimed to have made tens of millions of dollars by simply trading stocks in his school lunch break. His story was so elaborate, as well as the journalist, he even managed to fool a fact-checker sent to Stuyvesant High School to verify Islam's tall story. At that time, the 17-year-old from Queens provided the fact-checker with a fraudulent bank statement. Islam and his friend Demir were booked in to appear on CNBC, but pulled the pin last minute after realising they had taken the lie too far. New York Magazine has issued an apology for the story, while the boy himself, Mohammed Islam, says he's sorry, especially to his parents who knew he'd misled the public and the publication.